I'll give you guys a little bit of what we are dealing with. This is a winter storm that we are dealing with right now. It is pretty bad. Very bad out here. Damn, dude. Go. Might as well go. You were gonna get out in front of me anyway. Just go. That's the stupid people you gotta watch out for, because they're not looking out for you. This is some crazy ass weather. It is bad. This is what the roads look like right now. There is no roads. My God. It's very bad. I have to be out. I have to pick my daughter up from work. She had to work in this, and that's the only reason I'm out right now. Otherwise, I would not be out in this crap. I would definitely be home. This is very bad. We have blowing snow, everything. I can see like a foot in front of me, and that's about it. If anybody's out in this weather, be safe, guys. Definitely be safe, because it's only supposed to get worse, they said. And if you don't have to be out in this weather, don't be in it. Stay home. I can't even see the light up ahead. Oh God, it's just getting worse and worse and worse as the day goes by. Complete wait out. It's so bad. Nobody is moving. I don't know what's going on up there. I don't know if there's been accidents everywhere too. All over the place there's been nothing but accidents. Alright guys, I'm gonna sign out. I love you guys. I need to be safe. I just thought to make this short video to show everybody. Much love, guys. I I love you all. Bye, guys.